Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how to sell ebooks on Etsy in 2026. So, have you ever wondered if you can make passive income by selling digital products online? So, one of the easiest digital products to start with is an ebook. And one of the biggest marketplaces for digital downloads is Etsy. And the best part, once someone purchases your ebook, Etsy automatically delivers the file to the customer. You don't have to package anything or ship any physical products. So yeah, in this video, I am going to show you how selling ebooks on Etsy works and how to create your listings, optimize them for more sales, and avoid common beginner mistakes. Okay, so even if you're completely new, this guide will help you understand the entire process. So before opening an Etsy shop, let's talk about what actually sells. So an ebook doesn't have to be hundreds of pages long. Okay, so many successful Etsy sellers offers like recipe books. Okay, so let me just show you that recipe books, fitness guides, budget planners, business guides, wedding planning guides, travel itineraries. So, yeah, something like this. And also self help workbooks, language learning guides, digital journals. So, the key is solving a specific problem. For example, instead of creating a generic fitness book, creating something like 30-day home workout for busy moms or beginner meal prep guide for college students. And the more specific your audience is, the easier it becomes to attract buyers. Okay, so now to create your product, you don't need expensive software. Okay, we can actually use Canva. So there are so many creators who use Canva. That's right. So let me just log into my Canva account. That's right. So yeah, you can use this tool to write your content, export it as a PDF since PDFs are compatible with almost every device. And remember that people are paying for value. Okay, so your ebook should include a professional cover, easy to read formatting, so something like that. So you just have to create your ebook using these tools. Okay, so useful graphics or illustrations, actionable device, and don't just generate information using AI and upload it. And always review, edit, fact check, and add your own expertise or personal experience so that helps your product stand out from thousands of similar listings. Now, let's talk about how Etsy works. Okay, so at the time I'm recording this video and I'm unable to demonstrate the actual Etsy seller dashboard because my account is still undergoing identity verification. However, the overall process is very straightforward. So once your account is approved, you'll typically choose your shop language. So yeah, I just have to choose your shop language and then select your country, choose your currency. So those are just, basic steps on creating your shop. So you just have to name your Etsy shop, add payment information, set up your billing information, then you'll be able to create your first listings. And if you're following along later, these options may move slightly as Etsy updates its interface, but the overall workflow remains very similar. Okay. So yeah, now creating your product listing. So once your shop is ready, okay, so you'll create a new listing. And here's what you'll typically need to fill in. First is your product title. So I'm just going to show you different products right here. So for example, this one. All right. So as you can see, this product has a title. Okay. And then, for example, like printable budget planner, PDF, something like that, or beginner watercolor ebook. And then next is you just have to upload upload attractive preview images. So, like for example, this one. These are the preview images for this book. So yeah, all you have to do is do the same. And then even though customers are buying a PDF, your images should make the product look professional. And many sellers create mock-up showings. So the ebook cover, something like this, and then pages inside the ebook, tablet previews, phone previews, laptop previews, then write your description. So yeah, on your description, for example, this one. So we have here the description. So you just have to explain who the ebook is for, what buyers will learn, how many pages it includes, what file format they'll receive, what file format they're going to download, how they're going to download it. Finally, just have to upload your PDF as a digital download file. And when someone buy it, Etsy automatically delivers the file to the customers. For example, like this. So we are the customer, so we are gonna buy this one. That's right. And then we just have to tap on continue, and then just going to choose the payment method depending on what kind of payment method are you going to allow your customers to choose. So yeah, there's no shipping required for that since it's a digital products that you are selling. So yeah, now pricing your ebook. One question beginners always ask is how much should I charge? Okay. So for example, this one it costs around 144.33 pesos only. And the answer is depends on the length, the quality, the niche, and the amount of value you're providing. So many beginner digital products range anywhere from around $5 to $30, while more specialized or premium guides can sell for significantly more. So instead of trying to be the cheapest seller, focus on creating a better product. And higher quality often justifies higher prices. That's how it works here on Etsy. And yeah, there are several strategies many successful Etsy sellers use. First, you have to choose to use keywords throughout your title, description, and your tags. For example, this one. Think about what your ideal customer would type into Etsy's search bar. Second, you have to design a professional thumbnail image, something like this. And your cover image is often the first thing buyers notice. And third, you have to encourage reviews. So, yeah, positive reviews help build trust with future customers. And fourth, keep improving your listings. And you have to update your images, your descriptions, and keywords over time based on customer feedback and market trends. And finally, you have to consider expanding your product line. So instead of selling one ebook, create multiple related products. So, for example, an ebook, a printable workbook, a planner, a checklist, and a template bundle. So this increases your chances of repeat customer. And there are common mistakes to avoid. Before you start selling, avoid these common mistakes. Do not copy someone else's content, do not use copyrighted images, don't create misleading product description, and do not ignore grammar and formatting. Okay? Yeah, selling ebooks on Etsy is one of the simplest ways to build a digital product business because there's no inventory, no shipping, and your products can be sold repeatedly after they're created. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.